So here you can use their surfboards and everything, and they even got glass bottom boats. They're building on, they're gonna build all this the same as over there. Hi Mama.
Hi Daddy.
So we're gonna go walking on the beach, me and Mama, and talk to you guys about my stroke. But not about my stroke, just let you see the beautiful beach.
Yeah.
But
And after 2 months,
yeah, 2 months I haven't been out to the beach or anywhere like that
it was like 2 months.
because of my stroke. This guy's cleaning up the beach there.
Yeah.
And there's some kids down there and a mama. Get out here where it's solid and walk. Why?
Yeah, I have to walk like this.
Well, let me try.
Okay.
Is it hard on your feet?
No? Of course not.
Well, I don't know. I'm gonna go barefoot too, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get back and get them. Just be careful. Look for your shells.
Yeah.
And there's some coral.
The crabs. You know, there's some crab.
Yeah,
A little.
coral there.
Yeah.
See it? Anyway, yeah, take out my shoes. It's better on the sand, isn't it?
Yeah. That's good.
That was kind of rough.
It tickles.
It hurt.
It hurt?
There's a block.
Of the crabs.
There's a crab. So yeah, we're on the ocean,
Oh my gosh.
Philippine,
Butterfly.
Philippine Sea.
Yeah.
What do you think about it, Mama?
It's really nice.
You have a good time out here?
Yeah, of course.
So now I got out and we're walking on the beach, getting a few steps in this morning. Let you guys see where we're at. We're in. Look,
Yeah.
we're getting our steps in.
Yeah.
Not really, because, well, the sand's so heavy.
You want me to get it?
What?
Stand up?
No. The dog's been down here. See his
Yeah.
footprints, paw prints. But yeah, after 2 months, I'm finally out and
Yeah.
walking normal.
And you drive. You drove 3 hours.
And I drove all the way out here,
Yeah.
which means I'm being able to see a little bit more on my left eye.
Thank God that. Because I'm worried
Yeah,
while you drive. I wish I can drive.
but I can see my peripheral vision's back around my eye, but in the middle I still got a black spot, so I got to be careful. It got you, didn't it, Mama?
I think there's somebody using shampoo here.
Why?
Because it's clean out the bubbles.
Foamy?
Yeah.
It's not Boracay, but it's Zambales. And it's the Philippine Sea, right? This is the Philippine Sea, or South China Sea.
Yes. I don't know.
I ain't seen no shells yet.
Yeah.
Somebody might have got them already. We thought we'd take a little stroll and let y'all know I'm doing better. You know, I live in the islands. I got to get to the ocean every now and then. It's been rainy, but not too bad on the way out here. Well, we stayed 2 days here now. We're gonna go home today, later. The water was kind of brown yesterday, but now it looks like it's clearing up. It was silty. You get in the water with a white t-shirt, it'd turn brown on you. But now it's clearing up. After the storms went away for about a week now. That's what they said over here. And we thought we'd come out and walk the beach up and down and let you guys see where we're at. Let you know that I'm doing better every day. And that's a really good thing after the stroke. So I got out. Over there they got a place where, if you see, they're making sand 24 hours a day over there. They dig up sand over there and stack it up real high. Look at all that sand. Yeah, it's really gonna rain today. Later.
There's a shark.
Where? No, there's no sharks in there. She made me jump.
Did they scare you?
Scared me. Scared me, Mama. Okay, so I don't know how long this video has been so far. How long has it been?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. So you're gonna get a 6-minute, 7-minute video of the ocean and my beautiful wife. Say hello.
How are you?
What time is it? About 7?
Yeah.
7 in the morning. The sun's not too hard.
Yeah, but I hope it won't rain enough whenever we go home. I hope it won't rain.
Well, it's supposed to rain today.
Because we will drive.
It'll be all right. It's about 3 hours to where we live from here. Driving, but the water's clear right there. Look how clear that. Look how clear that water is.
Yeah.
That's a piece of coral. Right there, it's clear, but it's still silty out there. And it's cloudy. It's raining out there. You see where all that is? Looks hazy.
Out there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's raining there.
In Pampanga?
It's headed this way.
Yeah.
No, that's not towards Pampanga. That's towards Palawan. Yeah. So if you went that way, about 100 miles to be in Palawan. Uh-oh. She's stuck. Pull them out. Now you gotta wash them off again. We're having fun. Just so we're together. Walk to the stick.
Yeah.
I think somebody's fishing right there. Where that stick is. I seen them putting out nets last night. So these guys might come back later on and pull up some. Look at that.
It's like a big bike
Yeah.
that goes there.
Rock. So I'm barefooted and on the beach, and I'm walking normal, and I don't have any motor skill problems. So I'm real thankful. Thanks God that I'm still able to walk down the beach. Because I don't know what I would do if I couldn't.
I will just lift you. I'll carry you.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Piggyback you.
Yeah, she can't pick that much weight up.
Or I'll just pull your hand and then
Okay. I don't think so.
to walk here. The sun, I like it.
I like it.
Yeah.
Sun's not up yet. It's not,
That's a new one.
let's see.
I haven't seen that last time that we went here.
It was here, but they added on to it. Yeah, so you got a stick in the water here, or in the sand here. I wonder if they're fishing.
Yeah.
It don't look like it. Looks like it's just a stick.
Yeah. It's just like a mark, maybe.
Marker.
A marker.
Yeah. No rhyme or reason to that, because there's no nets here.
What?
I said there's no net.
Yeah. And maybe, you know, somebody, a boat or
I don't know.
they want to walk there.
Yeah,
Oh, there's the one sitting there.
yeah, maybe this is where they fish. They put their net in here and stretch it around, and it comes up that other stick. But there's no net here today. But I seen them doing it yesterday. Yesterday evening, I thought it might still be here.
What are they doing there?
They're putting sand up in piles so they can sell it. From Cagayan. Cagayan's a town up there.
Yeah.
There's a road that comes straight down in here.
I thought they are trying to put some sand
In the ditch.
beach.
In the beach, no. They sell that. We're all over the Philippines.
So it's like a quarry.
It is. It's a sand quarry.
So they bring it to Palawan.
Yeah, they probably bring it to our house. He said there hadn't been any barges out there in a long time, so they don't put it on barges anymore. I guess a truck comes down through here and they fill it up and it leaves with it.
No barge, you mean ship or what? The big,
Ship, barge?
yeah.
No, he said that they've quit running barges out of there.
The oil, you know.
No,
And it's movable.
what's movable? Is the barge movable?
Yeah.
Yeah, she likes to say that word. Movable. Yeah, we get in the river and then come around. See, this is right here is an inlet to the river where we're about to be at. And there's a fishing boat.
Yeah.
There's another fishing boat right there.
Oh, yeah.
They might be about to land and put some nets out. That's how they fish here. They put nets out and do the shore fishing, instead of, they don't use rods and reels, they use nets. Yeah, we'll have a good long video this time because I know it's probably past 10 minutes anyway. But yeah, right here the river comes in to the ocean, and from the mountains, I'll show you. Get out here to the edge and we'll look up the river. So yeah, I'm able to walk now and not fall over with your eye the way mine was, all the way black. Makes your balance kind of off, so kind of worried about coming out here until now. Now that I got some peripheral going back, maybe it'll all come back eventually. But yeah, the river comes into the ocean right here from the mountains. Beautiful mountains. If you go across those mountains, you'll be in Pampanga. But there's no way across them. Hey. Hey. You wanna go back now?
Huh?
You go back now?
Yeah. At least we have a little exercise.
Little exercise today. And that's good for me and her. Both of us. Betty. Now put Betty. Yeah, I like that. I might do a thumbnail. She's making it with her feet. All right, let's get a good look at that.
Yeah.
Betty Betty.
Yeah?
All right, Mama wrote our name in the sand. Yeah. So I think we're about done with this video.
Yeah. I think it's 15 minutes.
Huh?
15 minutes.
15 minutes, she says.
Yeah.
So that's enough for you guys.
Yeah.
We're on vacation.
Weekend.
So
Staycation. Weekend.
So when I get home, I'll post this.
Weekend getaway.
We can get away.
Yeah.
And I like coming out here because these guys are Americans that owns this place.
Yeah.
That we're staying
They're
at.
nice. The food is good.
Yeah, they're really good folks.
SWSR.
SWSR. What does that mean?
Sunset Water Sports Retreat.
Yeah, Sunset Water Sports Retreat, guys.
In Zambales.
If you're in Zambales,
Yeah.
look it up on Google.
Yeah.
And
Or
it-
Facebook. They have
Yeah, they have a
Facebook page, you know.
Yeah, and come here.
Yeah.
And they got all kind of water sport. You can surf, sail, and
Yeah.
they have these boards that you can get on, and they're called hydroplanes, and they're electric, and you can go out for like an hour at a time on them.
And
They
they're
got-
really nice people.
Yeah, they're great people.
Their food is really good.
Yeah, they got some good American food if
Yeah.
you want a pizza.
And Filipino food also.
Yeah,
They know how to, to get what I want to see.
yeah. So this is the beach in front of their resort, and their resort's really nice too.
Yeah.
They've worked on it for years now. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye, you too.